What's up, things in Nashville on today's How Far Is It From My Hotel to Lower Broadway? Today we're starting out the hotel 21C on 2nd Avenue. Let's go check it out. Here we start out the 21C on 2nd Avenue. Come down and start our timer. How long does it take us to get to 2nd Avenue? Let's go. Slide up here, let you guys check out the mural for a second. Really cool artwork in Nashville. Lots of cool artwork. But technically, due to the bombing that happened down here, you need to be on the left-hand side of 2nd Avenue. Because you're walking right down through that fenced area. See the aftermath of the bombing. I'll drop a link to an article about the Christmas bombing that happened right here on 2nd Avenue. Yeah, it was just absolutely crazy. Devastated so much. Luckily, the only person that was hurt was the bomber himself, because he had a recording playing on his RV to tell everybody there was a bomb in there. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. I'll write an article about that so you guys can check it out. Luckily, he was the only one that was hurt. But lots of great restaurants were destroyed. Coyote Ugly, Buffalo's Nashville. Coyote Ugly's right down through there. Big Stuss Resort. Taco Bell right there has live entertainment back. Like most every place on 2nd Avenue and Broadway. Mike's Ice Cream Coffee Bar. Awesome place. Got Airbnbs there. Got a new place going up right there.
Awesome.
Hard Rock Cafe. And there you go, from 21C. We got about 7 minutes at the most. Because we're on Broadway. Acme right there, feed the seed. They got a great rooftop. Thanks to Nashville. If you guys enjoy this little walk around video showing you guys a little tour of how to get from one place to another, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't for some more great content. So where I'm sitting at right now is on Riverfront Park. Let me flip the camera you guys to see that Nissan stays right across the river. Now what you see on the river right there is the Cumberland. During CMA Fest and several events, they'll put a stage up right out there, and you have lots of big name entertainment acts out there. And as you see from all the grass here, people lined up, throw your blankets out like you have a little picnic or something. Up on the hill up here, they'll line up food trucks. So awesome little area right here just to sit and chill. You see we got Nashville locals here just chilling out, enjoying the great beautiful weather we're having right today. So again, if you guys like these little walking tours, tell me down in the description. Hey, I like this. This is pretty cool. And also, if you guys got any ideas what you want me to do a walking tour from one location to another, or if you need information about a particular place, put it down in the comments and I'll do what I can do to make it happen for you. Okay, everyone, appreciate you hanging out. Peace. Later, y'all.